Australia, a land of wonders that never cease to amaze, home to unique wildlife like kangaroos, koalas, and the egg-laying platypus. Here lies the Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system, a spectacle stretching over 2,300 kilometers. Despite being the driest inhabited continent on Earth, Australia boasts Fraser Island, the world's largest sand island. It's a country famous for its big things, giant sculptures scattered across the landscape, from the big banana to the big prawn. Witness the marvel of the horizontal falls in Western Australia, where tidal variations create a horizontal waterfall. Navigate through Australia's unique time zones, with a 3-hour difference during daylight savings. Australia, the world's largest island, is surrounded by the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It's a melting pot of over 250 distinct indigenous language groups, with a rich history spanning thousands of years. Melbourne, a city in Australia, houses the largest Greek-speaking population outside of Greece, adding to its vibrant multicultural atmosphere. Lastly, don't miss the breathtaking Great Ocean Road, famous for the 12 Apostles, limestone stacks along the scenic coastline. Australia, a journey through diversity and wonder. Come and explore.